Crude oil right here has been in the consolidation for a very long period of time. The only clear target I can see is this high right there. So when we are in a consolidation, you need to understand, so difference between a consolidation, you need to understand everything at its core, at its basics. That's very important. So a consolidation is something like this. You'll notice in a consolidation, we can still target highs and lows, but we don't really run. In the trending conditions, you'll see something like this. We move higher. So what does this mean? This means that in trending conditions right here, you can have further targets, meaning your targets might be a monthly target all the way at the highs. In a consolidation, your target should arguably be previous candle highs and previous candle lows. So very close targets right there. The reason for that is because in a consolidation, we don't move very far from our starting point. That's consolidation. That's what a consolidation, the definition of it is essentially. So right here, we can have this target right there. On the 4 hour right here, we also have 4 hour value gap, which we can potentially continue higher from right there. But after this target, again, use those closer targets, reevaluate what we want to do. Bank Nifty. So what we're seeing right here is quite nice, quite beautiful as well. So on Bank Nifty, we're seeing that retracement, again, coming from all-time high. We are targeting right now this all-time high again. So quite confident in saying that the next target is that all-time high again. We see right here that on the daily, we are retracing back into this bigger fair value area, offering fair value area right there to then continue higher from it. So here, see if we can find some fair value gaps to continue higher from. On the 4 hour, we are about to create a new 4 hour fair value gap to continue higher from. That's very interesting to then target those new all-time highs as well. That's quite nice. Let's see. Are there any questions? Also true, Tori, what you said right there on gold. This is arguably right here. It's a very deep retrace to make, right? We're retracing arguably in a breakaway gap. Now the target is already gone, so the retracement is not that crazy. But in an ideal world where we are very bullish, we see a fair value gap being created right here, overlapping with this fair value area high right there. That tells us that we're running that high to then potentially continue higher right there. That's also very true. On Bank Nifty, how you can deal with those gap ups, gaps down. What I do, or what I used to do, I'm quite used to it right now. Or any price action, can also be stocks. Stocks is also where it happens quite a lot. Go to indicators and you can simply turn on no gaps candles right there by Echepata.